След като видяхме мобилните устройства на Huawei, идва ред да разгледаме един от основните сегменти на марката Cloud, Data Center и сървърни решения. Първият акцент е MicroDC – Distributed Cloud Data Center. Вторият е Fusion Cube, който улеснява бизнес клиентите, съчетавайки в едно сървър, Storage, Network и UPS. Ето и повече подробности.
For this and the little box, we will have the server, storage, network, and even the UPS, everything such as include the data center, we will have it. So this is another quick product focused on the SMB customer. For example, you will have set up some branch office. So this and the box can help you in the 3 hours to make everything happen. So that is another very quickly box moving solution packager to the small customer. Another thing we want to highlight here is the Fusion Cube. This is the enterprise cloudy scale-out infrastructure. The most important thing here is we will have the server, storage, and network, and combine them in a total one-stop such kind of solution. So one very important thing here is such kind of the cloud application. We will focus on the cloud such kind of storage too. So for Huawei today, we will scale out. So several systems can be combined and can set up a very quick, big system for the enterprise cloud purpose.